Jayden Smith is the matter at hand now. I haven't talked about it because I've known family. I've known all of them. And I sat and I listened and I observed, and something is wrong with Jayden. Something is wrong. Like, something is wrong. And I believe that if something is wrong with that little boy, somebody from the family should start talking. Because something is wrong. There's no way on earth he could have survived this long away from home. No way. No way he could be in some bushes hiding and stay away from society for so long. So, for me, something is wrong with Jayden. Something is wrong. Things don't look right now, and I think the public, I need some answers. I need some closure as to what happened to Jayden Smith. It has been too long. It has been too far-fetched, and it needs some clarity and some clearance as to what happened to Jayden Smith. So if anyone out there, anybody at all, have any form of information prior to the missing of that child, please to come forward. Find somebody and talk to. Get involved. If his body is somewhere out there in some form of bushes or even buried, give the family, give the mother some closure. It don't look good. I've watched that young boy grow up, and he's such a humble youth. I not even know if him can talk. I don't even know if him can talk, to be honest. So may I say, when I saw his picture, I was so surprised because I wonder how this someone have been missing. And then I started to hear the stories and the stories on top of stories. It's really sad to know that so many of our children has been missing since September 3rd. Craziness is happening. These kids are just going missing. This young lady in Clarendon went missing, and all of a sudden them find her body at the father's house. Total madness are going in our country. Persons in St. Thomas, young lady missing. 4 girls were missing in Manchester. Right? And the 4 of them was found. A 14-year-old also was missing with a child. And they were found. I'm just saying, so many suicide. So much suicide. What is happening in Jamaica? So many suicide. So many people dying. Like crazy. So much mass shooting. It's like the killing volume turn up. It's like somebody take the volume and turn you up. If there's anyone with any information that can relate and help and assist in finding Jayden Smith, please do so. Don't hold that information with you. Share it and let somebody know what really happened to Jayden Smith. Because the stories are not adding up. how on earth, even if in the there on one family member, I hide with that family member, somebody would have saw or see him around that family member. Because the family houses is a surrounding here. Unless in Ghana one another parish. And the way how him pictured upon every social media, television, every platform, somebody would have seen this boy if he were lingering around in another parish or somewhere else. So for me, something is wrong. Something is seriously wrong with Jayden. I'm telling you, something is wrong. And we need answers. We need some answers. At the sound of my voice, please to assist and help if you have any information. It could be your family. Because I always hear people speaking about missing children. But it's the first. It has happened so close to me. It's not in my family, you know. It's not in my family, you know. But to be honest, it's the first. It has happened so close and happened to somebody that I know. It's a child that I know. And he is the child of the future. They're the kids of the future. Good night, Michelle Johnson. No time say. And the family them cause the disappearance. Those are just speculation. Right now, nobody knows. But as I tell you, it no look good. Jayden Smith is missing. And it no look good. So that's why I'm coming live now. I know the family. I know the little boy. And everything when me are here, come here and say, me can't come live. And, you know, maybe as one family have him a ray. You know what I mean? Or maybe he run with God amongst one family. Because maybe he feel threatened or ill-treated. Yes, Michelle, it is so sad. Very sad. So, me didn't know and me I look into it today. I went to the garage. Actually went by Mr. Tire to get a new battery. And me I tell you say the argument just come up. And me I say me have to go live. Me have to go talk about it. It can't go so, it can't, it no right, sitting no right. Sitting no right but it no. Sitting no right. There's no way on earth he could be in any bushes hiding. Yeah, I said too. That's what I'm saying. No time. There's no way on earth he could be in some form of bushes hiding. I know it no farmer, natural resources from them time that he'll know. He can't feed fruits and then sitting there for so long. I know fruits not even there no way. Everything get damaged by all part and everything get damaged by storm. So where fruits the where natural resources the way him can feed pan in the woods. Me can't see him survive for so long in the woods. And if he was around any family member, somebody would have glimpsed him because this man face they on every platform. His face is everywhere. Continue to like the live peeps and share it. And as soon add here, just give me a few. As soon add. Then I hit me and say, no time. He would have want food because his belly would be in serious need of some cooked food. Because I sitting when used to. So if it turns so long in a bush and I eat, real food. It just not adding up. And even if somebody lock him away, unless somebody lock him away and I feed him, time up. Time up. So that's why we're asking if there's any information. If this child is alive, and if there is any information at all, please to share it. Because we need some closure. We need some closure. It's very sad. Very, very sad. And I feel it to my bottom of my heart because I know the little boy. That's why I feel it so. It's really sad if you know say a man disappear. The boy bright, you know. A better in left from God Chester, you know. The boy bright. Bright future. He could become anybody in this life. Why take that away from him? He is the future. Any information leading, any information, don't matter what it is, just find somebody and tell them. Leave it at somebody's front door. Push it on and then do over time. Make them find it and read it. Let us some information so we can find this child. Yeah, it does sound like them wicked to him, Michelle. Sound like them wicked to him. Like they treat him bad. And he maybe can't take it no more. And maybe retaliate. And him retaliating. People just retaliate back. Remember, you know, my grandmother always tell me, so my beautiful grandmother there, yeah, she always tell me, say, when the pipe full, you will bust. If it block up and it not flow freely, it a go bust. So continue trouble. So sometime the pipe there will bust. So me ask you now. We want to hear the truth behind Jordan or Jayden Smith.